What's up, you guys? Dusty Boy here. This is a newest update of my COVID-19 garden experience. We got some different things happening today, a lot to show you guys, and we're gonna reveal some of our potatoes today. Very exciting stuff. So let's get on into it. All right, y'all. These are my tomatoes, and they're all, besides the first one you saw, they're all starting to fruit. This guy right here, you can see all these little guys up top, and oops, down in between. They're taking this like eggplant kind of shape. It's kind of funny, maybe like a peanut, but they're all pretty healthy. And I'm gonna throw some of these in some buckets like my onions and potatoes are in, because they're just getting too top heavy, and I really feel like the room for the roots down here are really limiting what they're doing up top, you know. And again, here's some more of my tomatoes right there. By the way, everyone, the bug spray that I made last episode, it worked, but it didn't work well enough. I didn't notice, I mean, there wasn't as many black dots. I mean, you were really searching for them after I sprayed. So, I mean, I would say it's kind of a success with the homemade bug repellent. Not a total win, but it did help some. You know, if you're in a crunch and you don't have many resources, you can use that. You know, it'll help a little bit. All right, next we got my onions. There's a lot of things happening with these. We're seeing a lot of, here, I'll bring you guys in. We're seeing a lot of this, a lot of drying out. That being said, there's been a lot of heat, not a lot of rain. We just started getting all these clouds and everything. So this one right here, you can definitely tell is the red onion. I put some dirt aside, and you can start to see in there, we've got a nice size onion, you know, and I don't want to pull these up yet or harvest them yet, because all these new tubes down here, that's all new growth. Same with this one, which is a white onion. This is all new. So yeah, we're just gonna let those keep going. All right, so next we got is my pepper plant. Now I'm really happy with the progress. I mean, these peppers look really nice. However, they've been on here for almost a week and a half, 2 weeks, and have not changed in any size. This one got a little blemish right here. I feel like from the heat, I'm not sure. Also, all the little flower buds that were on here died and had fallen off. This one right here was the last one that changed into a pepper. Like I said about the tomatoes, I feel like they've done as much as they could with the room they had for their roots in the bottom, so they can't really, you know, grow these anymore. This one hasn't really gotten too much bigger. It's just happening really slow. So I'm gonna give it some more room in a bigger container, and we're gonna see how that works out. And then I'll show you guys the potatoes, and then we're gonna harvest one of the buckets, see what's happening down below. All right, boom, just gave our pepper a new home. This is the good potato plant. Not saying the other one's bad, but it doesn't look as healthy as this one. All the leaves are still doing great. If I turn over on this side a little bit, you can see that the weight of the plant kind of went towards that way. So that's this one, and we're going to show you the other one, and then we're gonna see what's in the bottom. Look at this thing. Believe it or not, this is my other potato plant. It looks very sad. On this end, the leaves aren't, too bad, but it just looks a little crispy, looks a little sad. So we're gonna see what's going on underneath. So I've seen some people wait till their greens up top totally just died down to harvest anything. And I've seen some people's potatoes flower. They'll have like little white flowers, kind of almost like this, and then they'll die down, and then they'll harvest their potatoes. I haven't seen any buds for any flowers. I don't know if that's any specific potato, but I did see some veg die back. I mean, if you see all this brown dried up stuff, these sad leaves. So we're gonna start taking some off. Next time I grow some plants, I want to keep all this stuff. Keep it in a compost bin. Scraps from the kitchen, like organics and everything. That way I can make my own dirt. It'll just be that much more satisfying when I have plants thriving in nutrient-rich soil that I, put together myself with my own compost and everything. I like reusing things, not putting things to waste, This is what we have left of our potatoes. So let's see what's on inside. We're gonna go like this. Little sandcastle. And as you can see already, look at that. Look at that. That's from nothing, from just a little, watch episode 1, guys. So we're just gonna break this down a little bit. All right, we're getting some potato action. There's 1, 2, look at these beautiful purple potatoes. Red potatoes, whatever color they are. Now looky right here. Look at those, these guys. So now we know there's still potatoes, they're still growing. I didn't have to cut all these back. I could have left it, so we know for next time. Potato. Yeah, I definitely did this too early. All these big strands, that's what all the potatoes grow off of. Freaking bugs on me. Look at these. Woo! Where are you going? Look at this. This is like gold mine. I feel like this is like Minecraft in real life. Just mining for potatoes. Just kidding. Wonder if I'll find a poisonous potato. Woo! Look at that guy. How would I tell if one of these is a poisonous potato? Woohoo! All right. So we went from this to that to this. And I am definitely hoping that this one should definitely give us more potatoes. Because I'm going to let it go. I'm going to see what happens. It was just dying back. So I had to find out. All right, so we're gonna reuse the potato bucket, and we're gonna reuse some of this nice soil to give one of our tomatoes a new home that it can thrive in. any new dirt. So we got our potatoes that we harvested. We got Mr. Pepper in a new home. We got all these potato greens chopped. We have tomato in a new home. I'm gonna go ahead and throw another one of these tomatoes in another container. And we're gonna call that a video. Hope all you guys are enjoying my content that I'm putting out. I'm getting a new job. My schedule's changing up a little bit. My son's getting older. So I'm kind of just trying my best to use my free time up and to do what I can to provide you guys with some content. I do want to make some gaming videos soon. And also I'm writing a short film is in the works, but who knows how long that's going to take. It takes a lot of effort to do things like that. But all that matters is I'm still keeping busy. You guys should stay busy. I encourage you guys to keep a hobby going. You know, it's not too late to start. And if you want to start a YouTube channel like this, this is filmed on an iPhone XR. So whatever phone you have, I'm sure it'll take nice videos. You can go ahead and upload them to YouTube. You can all edit them all on your phone even. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks everyone for joining me. And if you guys want to try some potatoes, hit me up.